Everyone, welcome back to Affiliate Offer. Now, today I'm very much excited to show you another website that we can use to make money online. And the best thing is that this website is available worldwide. So, for those people who are complaining that the last two websites I uploaded were not available in their region, then the website I'm going to show you today, you can try it out, okay? And if still the website is not available in your region, kindly let us know in the comment section below, okay? Now, I'll urge you to watch this video until the end because I'll be showing you how you can maximize your earnings on this site, okay? So, without wasting your time, let me show you the website. The website I'm talking about is called DataForce by TransPerfect, okay? Now, DataForce is a company that employs employs remote workers both full time and short term, and it is a company that helps other companies in the tech and AI system development industry. And I believe the way AI system are coming up every single day, this website or other websites will be still coming up to help train the AI systems that are available. Okay. And the good thing about this site is that it is a baby site or a baby company to a global provider language company called TransPerfect. So this is TransPerfect. So TransPerfect is a global provider of language and technology solutions for businesses that are involved in translation services and interpretation industry. Okay, so this website TransPerfect, you can see here they're saying that they have more than 30 years experience in helping organizations connect with their audiences in any languages. So any form of language jobs that are available, or if you are an industry and you want an area where you can post your jobs so that you can get help from remote workers, you just come here as at TransPerfect, then you request for a quote and they'll tell you for how much they'll charge you for the amount of job that you'll provide. So all the jobs that are being uploaded in this site, uh, they're being transferred to DataForce. So DataForce is the site that now employ or recruit remote workers like us to help do the works that are available here in TransPerfect. Okay, and you can see the type of jobs that you'll be getting in this site are like data sourcing, data annotation, video annotation, user studies, transcription jobs, and many more jobs. Okay, so if you want to apply as a worker, you just come down here. You see here they're saying that join us and be part of the AI transformation, helping build technologies that make or technologies that work for everyone. So if you want to see the types of jobs that are available here, you can just come and click on these data sourcing projects. So let's open this in a new tab. So for data sourcing projects that are available today, you can see this one is available for Kenya, Nigeria, and India. Uh, the next job is available for United Kingdom, United States, Canada, United States, India, Ireland. There are so many jobs for data sourcing. Look at all these guys. Germany, Spain, Hong Kong. So let's check one example of the available jobs that we can get here. So let's check which one. Let's take this one. So let's preview the job and see. So let's give it time to load. Yeah. Now, for this job, they are saying, what is the project all about? The purpose of this project is to collect corporate emails which you receive from your businesses or organization to help improve anti-spam and email filtering technology. Now, the nature of this job is just to collect the emails that you've been getting in your email box, and the email should not be older than 2020. So all the emails that you've been getting from 2020 until now, you can use them or you can upload them to this site or to these people, and you get paid. You see here they're saying uh, you may submit a total of 50 emails, 5 emails per email types. So they have like two email types. They have time sensitive emails, which are like travel, utility bills, calendar invites, and they also have transactional emails. So let's check how much they are willing to pay uh, for an email. You see, they're saying that you need to be over 18. These are some of the requirements. I believe you're over 18. Now, you will receive $3 for accepted time sensitive email. So $3 for accepted time sensitive, where is it? For accepted time sensitive email. So all these uh, if you have them, forms of emails, if you have them and you upload it here, you'll receive $3 for accepted email, and you'll receive 0.84 for accepted transactional emails. So for the next type of email, and they are looking for 50 emails from you. So if you just upload like if you just check like take like time sensitive email and you upload 50 of them, you'll be getting $3 each. So that will be like 150 USD, and this is a job that you can do in one day, guys. So if you're interested in this kind of jobs, you just come here and key in your information and you click next, and you'll be shown more. So let's check other jobs that are available. Those were data sourcing projects that are available. Now let's check long-term positions that are available in this site. So let's open this in a new tab. So guys, as we wait for it to load, I'll urge you to like this video if you're finding value to it, and share it with a friend who might also need other sources of income. Okay, now for long-term gigs that are here, you see here they're saying welcome and thank you for your interest in working for data source by transperfect, and they're saying they have a community of over 1.3 million people worldwide. So even you, if you apply here, you'll be contributing to this 1.3, and I believe by next year they'll have over 5 million people working. Now for long-term gigs that are available here, you can see here they're saying that freelance English content generator. They are also looking for English content generators, remote audio data collection, Dutch language annotation, Spain. So you just come here and check the type of job that this one is a receptionist, the types of jobs that you are well in, and you apply for it and you start doing it. So let's check an example. Check which one. And let's pick one. Let's take this one. Swedish language data annotator. You all are doing data annotation. You see they're saying that start date is ASAP. So if you log in today or if you register today for this, you can start job today. And they're saying that the language needed is Swedish, but you don't need to know Swedish for you to do this kind of jobs, because you can always use Google translators out there. So Spain remote, this is a remote gig, but they also have on-site gigs. So if you are in such kind of localities, uh, you can just go and apply for them for this kind of jobs at their office level. Now, did they talk about payment really in this site? In this page, I don't see how much they are willing to pay for this. Let's check another one. Let's check these. Also, this one, it is a remote gig, 3 short session every across 3 days. Okay, so if you have time, guys, uh register in this site. So registration is easy and free. You just come here and click join us, and you key in your correct information, and just like that, you'll be able to start looking for jobs in this site, and you do them and you get paid. So that's mark the end of this video, guys. In case you have any questions, kindly let me know in the comment sections below. And in case you also have a site that you've been using to make money online, kindly let us know in the comment section below, so that others can also benefit from your information. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video with the others. Okay, until next time, happy freelancing, guys. Thanks. Bye.